So I got these naturally wrapped wires. It was off of Amazon, or at least that's where I ordered these specific ones. I think last time I got them at Michael's. This time I got them at Amazon because it was just easier. Come coil like this. Oh, there. Coil like this. See? Move. So I got these two wires. They're they're about 2 feet each. I probably don't need this much, but I don't know. I have more to work with. So what I'm going for, I think I'm gonna go for kind of a curved loopy thing. I don't know. I'm just gonna start making it because that's the best way to do it. Just kind of start making it and see where it goes. All right. What I'm gonna do. All right. So this Amazon kit came with these little wires of different colors and textures also. So it was, no, I'm sorry. It came with this tape. This all came together. Yes. This was separate. My bad. This was separate. But this all came together. So I have tape for wires to choose from. I'm gonna try the wire, but if that doesn't work, I'm going to tape. So I'm trying to do a thing. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. I'm just randomly weaving this because this kind of looks cool. I should have just woven that on. Okay, you know what? I'm just doing that. I'm just gonna weave that onto there because at this point I don't have a plan. I'm just winging it and seeing where this goes, because usually that's what I do. I kind of have an idea, and a lot of the times my ideas are not what they don't turn out the way I originally planned. So I just go with it. So I'm just gonna let myself do that again. Okay, now I don't know what's going on with this. I suppose I'll just keep going with this. See, I don't think it's like going to be too difficult, I don't think. Again, I remember myself saying that a bunch of times and going, oh, well, that turned into a thing. But I like things that are kind of challenging. That's a lie. I love things that are challenging. It's a problem. And I get myself then so frustrated sometimes because I'm like, oh, well, beginner, pshaw. I'm just gonna go to the advanced. What's the worst that can happen? Bad things can happen. Don't do what I do. Let's see. So I started adding the curve to it. Okay, I think I am gonna reinforce curves with wire. So I'm just taking these wires that came with the tape. I think, yeah, this time, like my other fairy crown, I did use tape. I used the floral tape, brown floral tape. But I think, I don't even remember why I used it. There was like a reason why. Now, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Maybe I was just really attached to tape at that point in my life. It was several years ago. Okay, so I need to reinforce here and here with the ties, the wires. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm bumping it everywhere. See, maybe I should move it, but then you're gonna see all my mess. Maybe I don't want you to see my mess. Alright, so I got these reinforced. Okay. And kind of want it curved. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna twist this, twist, 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 twist. You got that. What I'm thinking, I think I do like using this and making this like crazy pattern. I think it's kind of neat looking. I think this is, I think I'm just gonna go with it and see what happens. Maybe, because with this, I kind of made it a head. So I'm wondering if I should just do that, which I don't even know what I did. I just twisted a whole bunch of wires together, kind of like that. And then I twisted this one, that, this one, like that. Oh, I don't know what's going on. It's fine. That. I think I just did a whole bunch of like twisting in like not really a pattern. I think I did a pattern. Just twisted some wires into something twisty. So technical. Maybe I used too many wires. Oh. Okay. Alright. Let's just, I guess, twist it on. Tangle. Tangle. More tangles. Just to kind of get it started. I don't even know if this is really necessary. Probably not. It's just what I did in the beginning. I'm like, oh, okay. Okay. I'm not sure if I like this tangle. It's not a very pretty tangle. Not a pretty tangle. I guess that's the thing now. So you want pretty, oh shoot. You want pretty tingles, guys. Looking pretty. Looking pretty. Or not. You know what? You be you. Yeah, alright. Now I think I'm just gonna tingle it on here. Seeing where. Okay. Make it a little more rugged looking, I think. I think I need to kind of start little loopies. I like to hide these underneath my hair. This one I might have to hit with tape, and this one I might have to cut. So for planning, it happens. Okay. You know, I'm probably gonna do the tape on both these loops just so it's a little bit more smoother, I think. Okay. I'm just wrapping this up. Bring it yourself. Okay, you know what? It worked. Make it work. Boom. Boom. There. Now the other side. I think I am gonna have to wrap it in wire. I think I got the base done. I'm gonna attach some string to the loops here at some point, just so it stays on when I'm out and about with it. But no, I'm gonna see where this takes me. So berries are pretty cool. Put them on here, glue them on. These. Oh, ouch. My glue is hot. FYI. It's fine. It's just part of the knot system. God, it's really late. Process. It's part of the process. I had moss laying around, berries, fake twigs. I used real twigs on my last fairy crown, and that didn't work out because they actually broke off. So as much as I don't like it as much, I'm using these plastic ones. But you know what? They're not going to break off. So as far as costumes, I think that's a good thing. I got berries on there, and I am sticking on this moss to cover the little berry stems. Just glue in. Glue gun. It's amazing. Do that. Glue gun. It's a little trickier. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I don't know if it's still because it's warm or it's just not wanting to stick, but okay. Oh, yep, it's hot. It's hot. Got my finger. Alright. Okay, that's looking cute. Just trick. I'm trying better about it, but I'm just have this. Maybe a little bit of the process. Oh no, what are you doing? No, 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 no. It's not what I want you to do. I want you to put that one there so it kind of, so it's pink. Do I want to put this on there? I think I do. I'm taking the chance. Alright. Let's keep going here. Just adding the moss. And these branches are pointing. Well, basically along the branches. But not all of it. I do want some of the branches not to have the moss. But, okay, so these have dried. So I think I'm just gonna carefully pick off some of the excess moss, because like I said, I don't want it to be too much. I kind of want it to be a little bit more subtle. Let's dry a little bit more. I think that looks cute. Okay. Well, think maybe I'm done for now. Maybe I'm done. I think I might be done. Like, I have other ideas for fairy crowns, but for now, this is the one I made. It's kind of a more subdued. It's one of the plainer ones I have an idea for, but I think it turned out okay. I probably shouldn't have put it in my hair with hot glue still on it. I didn't think that through. I don't think a lot of things through. Okay, well, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm just gonna leave this in my hair now because I'm scared to take it off. There you go. There you go. Ta-da!